Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey and I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I'm with my co-instructor, and this is Sammy. And we're working on my series on how to help children who are toe walkers. Now, many children who are toe walkers have trouble pulling up their foot, and they have limited range in which they can do that. So standing straight up and down, this would be fairly difficult for them to lift up their foot. In a previous video, we did it sitting, and in sitting, it's a little bit easier for them to pull up their foot, but standing, it's harder. So one of the ways I work on it is having them lean back against a wall. That way they can put their feet out further, which puts their toe out further. So the more it's underneath them, the more it's at a right angle, and the further they put their foot out, the more that foot is pointed down. So it's an easier range for them to pull up their foot. So I tend to document it in terms of how far is their heel from the wall. So right now his heel is about 11 inches from the wall. Can you pull up that foot? That toe, oops, sorry, just the toe, just like this. Whoop, like that. Can you do it? And put it down. All right, I'm gonna slide this underneath. Can you get up, pick it up, whoop. How about that one? Whoop, very nice, and put them down. So often I'll have the parent do it as well. I'll have them right beside, and I'll take the stick and I'll go under one, whoop, go over to the parents and come back, whoop, two, one, two. And then if they can do it at, right now he's at 11, can you come back just a little bit further to my hand? Yep. So right now he's at 8 inches. You ready? Whoop, whoop. Very nice. Can you go back any further? Maybe here. This, I'm sorry, to my hand. Right there. Ready? Now, Sammy has very good ankle strength, so this is not hard for him. I have many clients who cannot go back even this far. Come back again. All right, now his heel is only 3 inches from the wall. You ready? Now, sometimes what kids will do is only pull up their toes. You want to make sure that they come up high enough that the ball of their foot comes up. Now, when you go back farther, even I have trouble, so go back all the way to the wall. I am unable to pick up both feet at the same time. I have to do one at a time, so let's see. Ooh, it's hard, isn't it? All right, so let's see. How about right there? So, right now he's 2 inches from the wall. Can this one go back? Leave that one there. Can this one go back any further? Can it do it here? Very nice. And we decided that when this one was all the way back, it was too tricky. Let's try all the way back. Go back, foot. All right, ready? And he held on for dear life, and he could do it. Sammy, that was awesome. This is an easy way to work on, it's the anterior tibialis muscle. That's the muscle right here in the front of your foot to get it stronger. And the kids who are toe walkers have trouble strengthening that and have trouble strengthening it through the range, and this is one way to work on it. I hope that's helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.